How's it going, Jeremians? Today's video is for those who have just picked up how to play the keyboard or the piano. So we will be making a beginner's lesson, a very simplified arrangement of Christina Perri's 1,000 Years. But before we get started, let me just make some coffee to wake myself up. Let's begin. On this piano learning app, you can access different courses like how to read music, how to find your way around the piano, how to do your little different rhythm practice. You will also learn how to coordinate both hands, how to learn about different note values, as well as playing chords. And for those who are in the intermediate level, you will also get how to master key jumps as well as different time signatures. You can find a great deal of popular pieces from beginners to intermediate to advanced to professional level piano pieces if you want to. And you can actually find this 1,000 Years by Christina Perri also on this app itself. If you don't have a keyboard or a piano yet, or you're thinking about upgrading your keyboard or piano, do check out the links in the description where I have my list of recommended digital pianos as well as keyboard to get you started. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, make sure you smash the like button and do subscribe if you have not done so. I'll see you soon in the next video.